All right, my name is Ben Mielstein. I work at the Canyon Country Discovery Center in Monticello, Utah. What is the Discovery Center? The Discovery Center is a hands-on science nature museum with a few other bits attached in Monticello, Utah. We do everything from school field trips to host the public for dark skies parties. And we also have a youth corps that works out of our center every summer season. So we do quite a lot. My position is education coordinator. What I do is a combination of two things. I divide my time up between administrative tasks and also educating. So essentially, I'm either planning to go do something fun, or I am doing something fun. Additionally, I got to do some other cool things like apply for grants. I do a lot of lesson planning, and then the fun part, of course, is that I also get to do a lot of educating. So some of the education trips we do are not just like field trips to the center, but we also do field trips into the field. So we'll do river trips or hiking trips. And these can be multi-day things, and I get to be in every part of that. So I get to help cook food as well as guide, and also do the education portion while we're out on those trips. So I get to do quite a lot, which is one of the things that I love most about this position, is that I have no typical day. I mean, I'm always planning something new, or I am doing something new. So it's a nice balance between what I do and what I get to plan. So I'm not always teaching, but I'm not always stuck in an office either. A question that sometimes we get asked is, how do we get here? I did not plan to be in this sort of position by any means, but it's just something that happened over time. I started out, I wanted to be a teacher, and I went to college to become a teacher. After teaching a couple years, I realized how much I love the outdoors and how much I didn't get to be in the outdoors by teaching in public education. Nothing against becoming a public education teacher. I had a blast doing it. I just wanted a little more in my life, and I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do, but I found a different degree that I wanted to explore in recreation management. After I finished my education doing that, this position kind of opened up and was one of the things that I found, and I was willing to jump into it and kind of find out if it's something that I liked, which it was, and it's been an amazing position to have. I guess I want to show people that, if you want to do something like I do, if you want to get into a position like this, you don't have to follow some traditional path. A lot of environmental educators go and get some content knowledge first in school, and then from there explore their options. You can go do guiding, you can go work at different summer camps. There's a lot of really cool places that you can go work and start getting into this environmental education portion that we tend to do. So yeah, I would, if you wanted to just be willing, something that I wish that I would have known and has helped me is being willing to explore different careers and to take on a lot of different positions through time, just to explore and try things out. In my time, I've done everything from education to also selling motorcycles and working on summer crews for the Forest Service and construction even. So you never know what is going to really jive with you and give you a fulfilling life. So be willing to explore different careers. You never know what's gonna be your dream career. And that's all I have for you. Come give us a visit sometime.